My grandma taught me this trick. Pour laundry detergent into a sock, tie it tightly, and toss it in the washer with your clothes. Run the cycle as usual. The sock works like a small detergent pouch. It releases the powder gradually, so it dissolves evenly and leaves your clothes cleaner, softer, and perfectly rinsed. Pour it into the wash. Dark clothes will regain their intense black color faster than you think. Put all the dark clothes in the washing machine, but choose only those that don't have any prints or other, especially light colors. Now it's time for coffee. Brew some coffee, either from a machine or instant, but make sure it doesn't have any grounds. This is a homemade method to refresh clothes without using chemical dyes. Add the coffee to the detergent compartment of the washing machine or pour a cup of coffee directly onto the laundry. As usual, add your regular laundry detergent and start the washing machine. Coffee helps darken black and brown clothes. This beverage acts as a natural dye, reviving colors, especially on dark fabrics. It can also help maintain the color intensity, preventing it from fading. Start the washing machine, and that's it. You will definitely notice a difference. The clothes will be as black as new. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Throw a smelly and stained towel into the pan. This way you can save all your kitchen towels. Let me show you how this trick works. Take the towel you want to bring back to life and put it in the sink. Squeeze about 2 inches of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry helpers and works great at removing stains and discoloration. Next, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the towel with the toothpaste. Finally, pour some dish soap over it. Now soak the towel in hot but not boiling water. The entire towel should be completely wet so the ingredients can work better. Use chopsticks or tongs to stir the towel so it absorbs more water. After 1 hour, take it out and wash it normally in the washing machine. After washing, you'll notice the difference. the towel will be much whiter than before and free from stains and unpleasant odors. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks. Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a delicate fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products.